In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your filter pump motor back up and running again. In the scenario where you try to filter, but oil doesn't come back up to your vat because the filter motor never came on. Typically, if you follow my steps, I can have you back up and running in just a few minutes and help save the expense of a costly service call. So let's jump right into it. The filter pump motor has a safety overload built into it that will trip when it overheats. Typically, on a fryer, this will overheat if you try to pump too much cold, thick oil. Or worse yet, if you filter oil with no filter in place in the filter pan. So how do you get it reset? Well, the first thing you have to do is let it cool for about 20 minutes. After it cools, you will need to take something like the handle of a screwdriver and push in on this red reset button until it clicks back into place. You can try to use your finger to do this, but even some of the strongest fingers in the world can't always get this reset. So like I said, use the handle of a screwdriver and push, that way you're not calling a service technician just to press a button. Once this clicks back into place, then we'll test the motor by tapping the menu icon, tapping oil and filter, and then tapping fill vat. Select the drain pan and then tap and hold fill to see if the motor now runs and pumps. If the motor still does not pump, then there are two more things you can check. First, pull out the fryer and make sure every plug from each vat of the fryer are pushed in completely to the receptacle, and check your breakers for the vats to reset any breakers that may have tripped or been turned off. Next, on electric fryers, also push in on these filter motor breakers located here and then try to turn on the motor using the fill vat option again. Normally that'll get your fryer up and running again. However, if still nothing happens, then you'll need to set up a service call by using the contact information on the inside of the door of the fryer.